Hello YouTube, how to install motorcycle decals. I got some decals made up, stickers, and I want to stick this onto my dog bowl here. I think it's going to look awesome. I'm not too sure. I've seen a few pictures online, and I got a friend to draw this up, and yeah, they come up alright. And now I'm going to stick them on the big black horse. That is the Yamaha vstar 650 that I own. And yeah, so stick around and check it out. First thing you want to do is make sure the surface area is clean. So I just got some soapy water and make sure, give it a good wipe. Make sure there's no dust or anything like that. No oil stains. So when you do put the decals on it, it sticks to it. There you go, awesome. Come up a treat. You can take the dog bowl off to stick these on. I've just leveled the bike so it's nice and straight, and I'm going to try to do this on the bike. Hopefully I can get it done. Closer look at the sticker, pretty neat, two-piece. So I'm going to try to stick this bad boy on now. Here is the second part of the sticker. It's a two-part sticker, or two-piece sticker, sorry. And that's going to go bang in the middle. How to install motorcycle stickers, how to install motorcycle decals, motorcycle decals installation. This video covers it all. Make sure you got a clean surface, and then take your time. Make sure you don't leave any bubbles anywhere. Smooth it out with your fingers. Make sure you get rid of all the bubbles, the air pockets that may arise, and do make sure the surface is clean before you even start the project. It's a tedious exercise to try and get it without all the bubbles appearing, but I think it is possible. And if there's any bubble air pockets that you can't get rid of, don't get angry. You can just pop it with a little safety pin. And there you go. And Bob's your uncle. There it is. Bingo dingo. Motorcycle decal installation. How to install motorcycle decals. So now you know. Give it a bit of a wipe. Let me know what you think. So there you go, that's the end product. Let me know what you think. What does it look like? Tell me if you like it or not. Okay. Motorcycle decals installation. How to install motorcycle decals. This is a sticker that I got made up. I reckon it came up alright, and I think it looks pretty cool. Take a close up. Bit of a distance shot. I think it looks pretty cool. Suits the bike, bang on. I'm liking it. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, happy to answer, and please do subscribe to the video. This is Fuzzbuzz signing out till next time. Adios.